designed for at-home motorcycle repairs, maintenance, and secure long-term storage. Before use, select the appropriate adapter according to your motorcycle model. The forks are adjustable in width and can accommodate a broader range of motorcycle widths. The forks are equipped with anti-slip rubber protection pad. Wheel-assisted, effortless operation. Tips: for secure operation, it is recommended to prop up the rear wheel first and then the front wheel. Fasteners for strengthening fixation. Thickened steel that's resistant to deformation and a 3-angle force point for strong stability. Maintain front brake rotor clearance. Ensure symmetrical fork tube alignment. Simple components for easy installation. Assemble the bracket. The fastener enhances fixation. Install the wheels. Install the fork adapter.